Now, who doesn't likes a crystal clear gas stove like this one, in which you can see your reflection clearly? But can't this be a reality as well? It can be. I don't want you people to think that I keep my gas stove always like this, but for today's video, I had to make sure that it turns out to be like this. So I haven't cleaned it for last 3 days and have made sure that the tea gets boiled so that it can come into this shape, so that I can share with you people all of my tips and tricks that I do apply for cleaning up this incredibly messy, dirty looking gas stove. So, hi friends, my name is Ankita, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you people how am I going to treat this dirty looking mess right over here. Hopefully, you people will find this video productive. If you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and let's get started. I have started off simply by soaking the burners in vinegar. This is pure white vinegar and nothing else, not even a drop of water in it. And I'm going to keep it aside for half an hour while I scrub all of this gunk of this gas stove. Now over here you can see the holders of the gas stove, they are extremely dirty as well, as I've made sure of it. Now here I have like boiling hot water. In that I have added some soda and some dishwashing liquid, and I'm going to soak all of these gas tops in the water for 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time for the actual gas top, of course. So first I am using a dry cloth, an entirely dry cloth, and I am just making sure that the crumbs that can come off just like that are coming off just like that, so as to make sure that I don't have to deal with the gunk while I am scrubbing off the rest of the things. Now here you people might have already seen it multiple times. This is something that I normally use for cleaning almost everything when it comes up to my kitchen. This is a combination of distilled vinegar, some dishwashing liquid, and water. Like everything is 50-50-50 because the gas is absolutely dirty. Now over here I am just going ahead and generously spraying my gas top with the help of this combination, and this works wonders because trust me on this thing, this is going to be my tip number 1 to you people, that this thing really works. And the tip number 2, I'm working on the gas pipe, and I can bet we never think of the gas pipe and the pipe that is underneath, like hidden, that could be dirty and grimy. So let's go ahead and simply clean the entire gas pipe as well. Now over here, while my gas is soaking, these gas top stands have already been soaked for more than 10 to 15 minutes. Now I'm simply going to go ahead and easily scrub all the gunk off, and the combination that I did created, it just very easily makes sure that everything is quite clean. All the nasty stains are coming off easily, and I did showed you in the beginning that everything was quite dirty. Now look at this gas top, like this burner top. It's absolutely dirty, but it's coming off quite easily. So you can try this tip number 3, which is the combination of hot water, soda, and stuff like that. Now I'm not going to throw away that water just yet. I'm just going to use the scrubber from the same water because the water is hot, so it's going to help me just clean the gas really very easily. Now I haven't done a lot of cuts over here, so as to make sure that you people can clearly see that it's not taking me a lot of effort to make sure that all of this is coming off. That's what my tip is. You can simply go ahead and clean this much of a dirty gas stove, and you won't have to face a lot of problems. So just try these combinations, these concoctions that I have shared with you people, and you will certainly see how easily the dirt and grime comes off. Now I know you people must be thinking continuously how dirty this woman can be, but I have let my gas stove get that dirty to make sure that I can share with you people. I don't keep it that way. I'm quite a clean person. I know it turns out to be a little bit difficult, believing while you're watching something like this, but it's simply for the video, you guys. I request you to believe me over this thing. It's quite embarrassing, but still, I had to do it for the video's sake, right? I needed to help you people. Now over here you can see half an hour has been passed. and I am simply going ahead and continuously scrubbing with the help of a toothbrush. It's a clean toothbrush, and I'm cleaning my burners right now. After scrubbing with the help of toothbrush, I'm simply going ahead and using the scrubber, and you can see the difference between the burners. And over here I'm just simply making sure. Now I am not going to go ahead and do that fake sort of an editing where I'm going to show you that the burners transformed into the golden color that they arrive into. They never transform into that golden color. However long you soak your burners into the distilled vinegar, they won't ever transform into the golden color. But yes, of course they did transformed a lot. They were quite very clean. Now over here you people can see me using the same toothbrush on my gas top, and I'm doing this because there was a few like bits and pieces that didn't came off easily with the help of the scrubber as well. So I just went ahead and used the toothbrush to get into those hard to get areas, or the corners or the insides of the plate that is kept over there. I personally feel like I have been speaking a lot since past more than 5 to 6 minutes. So it's just taking a toll on my tongue at the moment. But anyways, let's come back to the topic. Over here, I have scrubbed it all a lot. Now this is the area that I usually used to forget. Do let me know in the comment section below if you people forget this area as well. Now the back of the gas is something that we usually don't clean up all the time. I mean, whom am I lying, to you or to myself? But still, while you're deep cleaning your gas stove, you can simply go ahead and clean each and every single area. You can flip it upside down if you want to make sure that everything is clean. And the bottom part of the slab, the kitchen slab, it just got cleaned off just by the presence of that distilled vinegar solution. So I didn't have to work a lot over there as well. So you people can see this thing works as magic. It's magical. It's amazing. I'm sorry, I know there are way too many it's, but still I can't define how amazing that stuff is. You got to try it. You'll completely forget about the Mr. Muscle Cleaner and all good stuff. Now I am using a towel. A towel is really very handy when it comes up to wiping off something that is made up of glass, and your gas will start shining immediately if you'll go ahead and use a towel. And I'm just wiping it all clean, every corner that has that smell. Now the smell of distilled vinegar will stay for a while, like for 5 to 10 minutes, but it's nothing bothering. And then I am simply taking in another washcloth and just simply going ahead and scrubbing off each and every single corner to make sure that my gas is as crystal clear as possible. Oh my god, I am having serious tongue twister moments. But hey, you people can see the reflection of my finger in my gas stove. If you people can't, let me show you once again. I was seriously very happy while I did that. Now over here you people can see my gas top is actually completely clean and stainless. The contrast between the beginning and the end is striking. Hopefully you people go ahead and try all the tips that I did let you people know, and do let me know in the comment section below if you people are admiring the video. And if you people do, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you people haven't already. And with that being said, I'll take your all leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, just stay blessed and take very good care of yourself. Bye bye.